everyone, welcome to Soulmate Adventures. Today we're at the Marriott Mena House in Giza, Egypt. We're in a deluxe guest room. The king bed is quite comfy and they've decorated it for our anniversary. There's a small sitting area with a sofa and coffee table. On the other side, there's a small dining table where they left us a lovely anniversary cake and fresh fruit. There's also an espresso machine, tea, and complimentary water. Now here is the highlight of the room, the balcony with a partial pyramid view. It's too dark and hazy to see it right now, but we'll show you again in the morning. The bathroom is small but clean, and they provided a few complimentary toiletries. A simple bath and shower combo. Outside of the bathroom is the closet where there are plush robes and slippers provided, as well as the safe. In the morning, we made our way to the hotel's buffet breakfast. We chose to sit outside with a gorgeous view of the pyramids. After breakfast, we went back to the room to enjoy another coffee on the patio and admire the partial pyramid view. It's not the best view, but it's still pretty awesome to see it right from our room. The highlight of this hotel is that we're able to walk to the pyramids in just a few minutes, allowing us to get there super early before all the crowds arrive. We hope you like this short video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Egypt videos, and check us out on Instagram at Soulmate Adventures. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.